time for lift the veils when you are here. Don't rush, breathe and control your veils. Outside, inside, left, left, inside, outside, right, right, and then right, left, turn and turn, and right, left, turn and turn. Okay, 2 times with music. We need to continue. In the last part, we made right, left, and 2 turns, and we repeat 2 times this. You remember the 4 turns with the veil in the center? We will make this, but with 2 veils in the center. I will put the veils in the center, and then I will start to turn in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4, and 2 turns on the left. And I will repeat this 2 times. Okay, I made it slowly, but this is a little fast. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and the veil back to you. Turn and turn. One more time. Veils in front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Veil back to me. My right will go back to me, and I turn to the left. Okay, 2 times this sequence. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 and 2. It's a very beautiful charm. It's a difficult step, I know, but I show you the options and I show you the technique and the exercise you need practice for make this charm. Okay? Can we dance with the moment we open the veils? Okay? Second part of the music.